First, connect the Type-C end of control cable to the HDMI port and the Type-C port on the left side of the camera body respectively. Next, connect the HDMI connector on the other end to the HDMI in port at the bottom of the monitor. Now proceed with the connection settings on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, then tap Camera, select USB. When the camera control panel appears on the monitor, it means the connection is successful. Tap Rec, starts or stops video recording on the camera. When the camera is set to still photo mode, tap the shutter button, triggers the shutter. Tap Iris, adjusts the aperture value. Tap Shutter, adjusts the shutter speed. Tap ISO, adjusts the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus in AF mode, enables touch focus and touch tracking directly on the monitor.
Tap Camera Mode to switch between camera modes.
Tap WB, selects or changes the white balance mode. When white balance is set to K, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. When ISO is set to auto or the camera is in automatic modes, tap EV to adjust the exposure compensation value.